Relating mass and momentum transfer using MT equation. MT is nothing but mass transfer equation. Kc d by dAb is equal to 0.023 Reynolds number power 0.8 Schmidt number power 1/3. This is the fifth expression. Dividing the above expression by Reynolds number into Schmidt number. Kc into d by dAb Reynolds into Schmidt number is equal to 0.023 Reynolds power 0.8 Schmidt number power 1/3 whole divided by Reynolds into Schmidt number. So in LHS side, Kc into d by dAb into Re into Schmidt number is equal to 0.023. Numerator Reynolds power 0.8, denominator Reynolds power 1, finally Reynolds number power minus 0.2. Whereas Schmidt number, numerator Schmidt number power 1/3, denominator Schmidt number power 1, 1/3 minus 1 minus 2/3. Are clear? So in LHS side, what is a d? D is a diameter. So from the Reynolds number is equal to rho u d by mu. Are clear? Okay. So from that, what is a capital D? Capital D is nothing but Reynolds into mu divided by rho into u. So replace the capital D. So instead of capital D, so going to use the Reynolds number, Reynolds into mu by rho into u. So this value taken from Reynolds number. Reynolds number is equal to rho u d by mu. From that, capital D is equal to Re into mu by rho into u. Are clear? Okay. So the Kc is there, whole divided by dAb into Re into what about the Schmidt number? This Schmidt number come to this side. Schmidt number power 1, Schmidt number power minus 2/3. Are clear? Okay. So totally 1 minus 2/3 Schmidt number power 1/3. Are clear or not? Okay. Yes. That is equal to RHS side 0.023 Reynolds number power minus 0.2. Are clear now? Yes. Now come to LHS side. Re's are cancelled. So then Kc into mu by rho u dAb Schmidt number power 1/3. From that, mu by rho into dAb, that is equal to Schmidt number. Are clear? Okay, mu by rho into dAb, that is equal to Schmidt number. So what do you do here? Kc into Sc, that is a Schmidt number, divided by u into Schmidt number power 1/3. That is equal to no change in RHS side 0.023 Reynolds power minus 0.2. Are clear? Okay. So here Kc by u, Sc power 1 numerator, denominator Sc power 1/3. So 1 minus 1/3 Sc power minus 2/3. So this is a LHS side. RHS side 0.023 Reynolds power minus 0.2. So this is the sixth expression. Compare the expression number 3 and 6. What is the third expression? Third expression for a turbulent region, friction factor and Reynolds number relation. Are clear? What is the relation? F/2 is equal to 0.023 Reynolds power minus 0.2. So this is the third expression. You compare. So the RHS sides are equal. So both third and sixth expression. So what about the LHS side? So here LHS side in third expression F/2. Sixth expression Kc by u into Sc power minus 2/3. So finally we get Kc by u into Sc power minus 2/3 is equal to F/2 is equal to 0.023 Reynolds power minus 0.2. So this is the seventh expression. Are you clear or not? Okay. So from seventh expression, Sc power minus 2/3 into Kc by u is nothing but Jd. What is Jd? Jth factor of mass transfer. Are you clear or not? Okay. So from the expression number that is 4, the expression number 4, Stanton number into Prandtl power minus 2 by 3 is nothing but JH. Are you clear? Okay. So the Prandtl power minus 2 by 3 is nothing but that is a JH. Why? Because so you refer the fourth expression. From that expression, so Stanton into Prandtl power minus 2 by 3, that is equal to JH. JH is nothing but jth factor of heat transfer. Are you clear? Okay. So finally we have the expression F by 2 is equal to JH is equal to JD. How it is come? F by 2 is equal to JH is equal to JD. You compare fourth expression and seventh expression. So from the fourth expression, F by 2 is equal to JH is equal to 0.023 Reynolds power minus 0.2. So similarly seventh expression, JD is equal to F by 2 is equal to 0.023 Reynolds power minus 0.2. So both expression 0.023 Reynolds power minus 0.2 is a common, that is equal to F by 2. Are you clear? Okay. So the finally F by 2 is equal to JH is equal to JD. So be clear. So two things are very important here. One is a heat transfer jth factor, another one is a mass transfer jth factor. Heat transfer jth factor from equation 4, Stanton number into Prandtl power minus 2 by 3. You refer the equation number 4. So from equation 7, Schmidt number power minus 2 by 3 into Kc by U is equal to JD. JH and JD is nothing but jth factor for heat transfer and jth factor for mass transfer. So this is called Chilton-Goldband analogy. Another name is a modified Reynolds analogy. Thank you for your attention.